In this video, I'll show you how to quickly change your initials in DocuSign. Whether it's for work or personal preference, you'll learn the easiest way to update them. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple tech guides. To start, open your browser and head over to apps.docusign.com. Log in with your account, and once you're on the home page, look at the top right corner for your profile icon. Click it and select Manage Profile from the drop-down menu. On the left-hand side, choose Signatures. This section shows all your current signatures and initials. To make changes, click Add Signature. A new window will appear where you can edit your initials. Now, type in your updated initials in the box labeled Initials. Double check carefully before saving, since these will appear on every document you sign. Once you're happy, hit Create, and just like that, your initials are updated. And that's it. You've successfully changed your initials in DocuSign. If this video helped, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more 2025 tech tutorials.